In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wave.video for live streaming. First, head over to your Wave.video dashboard and open My Projects. This is your central hub where all of your videos, assets, and live events are organized. From here, look for the section labeled Streams and Recordings. This is where you'll manage upcoming broadcasts and find your past live recordings. Next, choose Setup Live Stream. This opens the event creation page. Start by entering your event title. Keep it clear and searchable. Think about what your audience would type to find this stream. Right below that, add your description. Use a few concise sentences to set expectations, include key topics or guests, and any links you plan to reference. Good titles and descriptions help with discoverability across platforms. Now choose a folder for recording. This determines where your streams and highlights will be saved in your library. If you create regular shows or series, consider using dedicated folders to keep everything tidy and easy to find later. You can add a thumbnail if you want. A compelling image increases clicks and can set the tone for your broadcast. Use a readable title on the image, high contrast colors, and consistent branding so your stream stands out in feeds. If you'd like, enable schedule for later to set a date and time. Scheduling helps your audience plan and lets platforms generate a public event card in advance. Double check your time zone before confirming. You can also allow guests to co-stream. This is useful for interviews and collaborations. Just make sure your guests test their mic and camera ahead of time for a smooth experience. When your event details look good, click Setup Destinations. Destinations are the social channels where your stream will go live. Click Add Destination, then choose the platform you want, such as Twitch or another supported network. You'll be prompted to connect your account. Click Authorize to grant the necessary permissions so Wave.video can publish your stream and manage chat where applicable. You can review or remove these connections later in your account settings. With your destinations ready, click Start Stream, and you can open the studio for further settings. Inside the studio, check your camera, microphone, and screen share, arrange your scenes, and add overlays or backgrounds. Use the preview to verify audio levels and framing. When everything looks and sounds right, confirm to go live. After you're done, your recording will be stored in the folder you selected, ready for repurposing into clips, reels, or on-demand content. That's it, you've set up and launched a live stream with Wave.video, end to end.